Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Aris Agro Limited. The stock is basically a good financial stock, and this stock has good promoter and management group, so it's good to go long in this stock. Let me draw the major resistance and support line of the stock. This can be taken as the major confluence line for the stock, and this can be taken as the resistance zone, and this can be taken as the support zone for the stock. So these are the major confluence areas in the stock. So one can go long at current market price because the stock is bullish right now. In the beginning of the month the stock shoot up more than 10%, and now it's currently in a good bull run. So let's analyze the stock on further. On this video. This is a roller coaster stock. Once it hits the resistance, it will come down to the support level, and once it come to the support level, it will once again move to the resistance level. So it's basically a roller coaster stock. So it's currently took a support at 32 range, and now it's moving upwards. So let's move to the weekly chart and analyze the chart further. So this is the weekly chart of Aris Agro Limited. Let me draw the major confluence area in the stock. Currently the stock is trading above the major resistance zone. This resistance was considered for more than 2.5 years. So this resistance was broken currently, and the stock is also very much bullish. Look at the volume of previously traded week. So the volume is the highest for more than 1 year. So this is good time to go long in the stock. So let's analyze the entry and target for the stock. But make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. And feel free to comment below and join our Telegram channel to get the instant notifications and the instant updates of share market. And let's move to the daily chart now. In daily chart, after making a huge high here at 112 range, the stock made a downfall for more than 75, nearly 25% down move within 2 months, and the stock once again took its momentum here. So the stock is basically a bullish stock. Right now the stock gave a fantastic volume with a fantastic breakout, and the resistance level was just like that broken and also took a retracement, and the previous high is also broken in the stock. So going long in the stock at current market price is very much advisable. So look at the stock here. The stock broke the major resistance level here, and now it took a breakout from the major resistance level and took a retracement here, and now it also broke the maximum 52-week high. So it's going long in the stock is very much advisable. So let us analyze the price entry using the fib extension tool. So this can be taken as the entry at current market price is very much advisable. The entry is just below the current market price, so taking entry at current market price is advisable, and one can expect the target of 147 range, which is almost around 15% upside from the current market price, and one can take 174 range can be also taken as the target for the stock, which is almost 33% upside from the current market price. The stock is good for long term also. The long term target is the maximum resistance and confluence area in the stock. So the maximum of 192 can be expected in this stock, and 263 range is the most powerful resistance. So in the long term basis of 1 or 2 years, the stock will touch the price of 263 very easily. So that's all for today. Hit subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications of the videos published, and feel free to comment below. Thank you.